Understanding insurance coverage, everything you need to know. Insurance premiums can feel like a big hit on your budget, but having the right coverage is worth it. Luckily, SCU Insurance Agency offers a variety of options, like auto insurance, renter's insurance, and even coverage for your pets. Let's look at a few types that you might need. If you drive, auto insurance is a must. Think liability for accidents, coverage for things like theft, and collision for your car repairs. Next up is homeowners insurance, which protects your home and everything in it. You can choose from basic to comprehensive coverage depending on how much protection you need. And don't forget disaster insurance. Whether hit by a hurricane, wildfire, tornado, or winter storm, disaster insurance gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered. Feeling overwhelmed? SCU Insurance Agency makes getting insurance simple and stress-free. You can compare rates from over 40 providers to find the perfect plan that fits your needs. Ready to make insurance simple? Visit SCU Insurance Agency today to get started. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more tips.